Hi, good day. Ade Lamidi here from GetInternetBusiness.net, a CPA and affiliate marketing blog. Welcome to the blog, and today I wanted to quickly share with you why you should consider CPA marketing. CPA marketing is an advertising model where you work with advertisers that are looking for leads for their products and services. You do that via a third party company called a CPA network. You, as a publisher or an affiliate, would work with the CPA networks who have all the products and services that advertisers want leads for. And basically, you can more or less join a CPA network depending on whatever niche that you're looking to promote products and services in. Grab a few links and get promoting the products and services to generate leads for the advertisers. So, as a beginner, for example, you don't necessarily need to make any sales in order to earn commissions, which is very, very important. A lot of people join an internet marketing company or an MLM company and they struggle to make sales. Not because they're not good at sales, but just because it takes time to learn your craft, to learn how to build relationships with people before they can get out their credit card and buy something from you. But with the CPA marketing model, you're mostly concentrating on generating leads. And when I say generating leads, it could be um, leads that the advertisers just want to perform some sort of action. It could be maybe they want leads that are just going to download their product or download their game, sign up for a free dating site, um, take a free trial for a weight loss product, and different examples just like that. So, as a beginner, especially, you're not you're not under pressure to make sales. You can learn certain strategies to generate quality leads for the advertisers, and you're going to get paid for it. And that's the model that I've followed, and I'm going to be sharing with you in the next 7, 8 videos what CPA marketing is. I'll also be sharing how CPA marketing works, the CPA marketing model versus the traditional affiliate marketing. We're going to discuss that. We're going to talk about CPA networks, how to look for them, how to join them, um, how to build relationships with your affiliate manager, with other people in the industry, which is very, very important. I'll also go over some terms that you need to know if you're embarking on a CPA marketing business. Tools, especially, you need tools to be able to build landing pages quickly, to be able to track. The most important thing is to be able to test and track your wherever you're sending your traffic from, so that you'll be able to cut losers quickly and scale your winners. I'll also be sharing how to promote CPA offers, the different strategies. You could go down native ads, you could do SEO, you could do pay-per-click marketing, you could do video marketing via YouTube. There's just so many different ways, so many different strategies to promote these CPA offers and get commissions. And lastly, I will also be sharing some case studies that I've been going through, but that I've actually put together so that you can just learn from them. You can then model those case studies and go out there and yes, just become a CPA expert. So I'm going to be going over all those videos I'm hoping to get them done in a week, so that you'll be able to take chunks of the videos and yeah, just more or less digest them, and yeah, you could basically just become go from a CPA beginner to what I call an expert in just 1 week. So with that said, thanks for watching this video. I look forward. Don't forget to drop your email below so that you can get the CPA marketing videos. I'm not going to be making them public on my page, so you really need to sign up with a legit email address, and you'll get all the videos that I'm going to be sharing with you. With that said, have a fantastic day, and thanks for watching.